The official launch of the GST will take place on the midnight of 30th and 1st at a function which will be organized in Delhi. That we reached a consensus that the lotteries will be of two kinds: state-run lotteries and those which are run by private persons merely authorized by the states. So the state-run lotteries, which state governments directly run, will be taxed at 12% of the face value, and state-authorized lotteries will be run at 28%. The 28% limit in hotels will start from 7,500, which means that between 2,500 and 7,500, the rate will be 18%, and it will be 28% only beyond 7,500. Similarly, tax GST on the restaurants in these hotels will be at par with other air-conditioned restaurants, which is 18%.